Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where we bring you the most extraordinary architectural marvels. Today, we unveil a true masterpiece of engineering, a mountain retreat crafted from shipping containers. Combining innovation, sustainability, and breathtaking design, this ultimate mountain shipping container home stands as a testament to modern architecture in the heart of nature. With sustainability at its core, this home blends seamlessly with its surroundings, proving that beauty and functionality can go hand in hand. Get ready to explore every stunning detail of this incredible build. This is a masterpiece of engineering, the ultimate mountain shipping container home, only on Alvinsa Studio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more groundbreaking designs from around the world. When you think of a shipping container home, you might picture a compact, minimalist space. But this 1,900 square foot architectural marvel shatters every expectation. Perched on a mountainside in Utah, this 3-story, custom-built container home is a masterclass in design, sustainability, and modern luxury. It's built entirely from repurposed shipping containers, arranged in a U-shaped layout to create an expansive, open-plan living area with floor-to-ceiling glass walls that frame the breathtaking Capitol Reef landscape. From its reinforced steel structure to the high-efficiency insulation and smart climate control systems, every detail in this home is engineered for both comfort and durability. If you're looking for an eco-conscious, high-end getaway, this is it. The main living space is designed for both function and style. The double-height ceilings make the space feel even larger, while the exposed container walls pay tribute to the home's industrial roots. A built-in fireplace, oversized couch, and wall-mounted flat-screen TV create a cozy yet modern ambiance. Equipped with stainless steel appliances, butcher block countertops, and a farmhouse sink, this kitchen isn't just for show. It's fully functional for serious cooking. The back counter with a breakfast bar comfortably seats 3, making it the perfect spot for a morning coffee with a view. Each of the 3 king bedrooms is designed with relaxation in mind. Expect adjustable bed frames for personalized comfort, floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic mountain views, Roku smart TVs in every suite, walk-in wardrobes for storage. The ensuite bathrooms are just as impressive, featuring oversized tub and shower combos, gold-accented fixtures, and full-height tiling. This home isn't just about what's inside. Step out onto the massive outdoor deck where you'll find a custom-built fire pit for cozy mountain nights, a private sauna for ultimate relaxation, an outdoor dining and BBQ area for al fresco meals. This isn't just a vacation rental, it's a high-performance container home built to withstand Utah's extreme weather conditions. High-efficiency insulation keeps it warm in winter and cool in summer. Double-paned glass windows maximize energy efficiency. Steel-reinforced walls and roof ensure structural integrity. Whether you're hiking, rock climbing, or simply soaking in the views, this home offers the perfect balance of adventure and luxury. As we wrap up this journey, we hope you've been inspired by the brilliance of design and engineering behind this ultimate mountain shipping container home. From its innovative use of shipping containers to its seamless integration with nature, this home is a true testament to sustainable and modern living. Thank you for joining us on this architectural adventure. If you loved this masterpiece, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more incredible designs from around the world. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy exploring!